I have never been away from my children ever. And now it was time to say goodbye for 2 good weeks. I was leaving them behind, boarding a plane to travel to Ethiopia. I was a bit nervous, but also excited, not knowing what to expect. Bye bye, Enugu. Traveling beyond the clouds. But once we arrived, I was ready to discover new roads in beautiful Ethiopia. Honestly, this country is huge and you can drive for hours without leaving the borders. Changing landscapes from hilly mountains to savanna forests. I saw a lot of cows and goats on the road, and also some camels. But the best part of Ethiopia is definitely the food. So delicious. And most importantly for me as a coffee lover, coffee. Stay tuned for more.